Good afternoon, my people. If you've ever been using your Shark vacuum cleaner, such as this, and take it off the charger one day and it doesn't come on, or it comes on for just a few seconds and goes right back off, it means your battery's gone bad. Just like any car battery, or I deal with floor scrubbers, any scrubber battery, anything like that, you've generally got about a 4-year window on batteries, optimal. I've heard some people in these vacuum cleaners the battery's going bad within a year. This one I've had for about 4 years and haven't had any issue with it until recently. Anyway, I found the replacement battery. It will be in the link below on Amazon. You get it for around $39, give or take, depending on what inflation does between now and when you see this video. But it'll be in the description if you want to get the correct battery, because there are some out there that look close but aren't exactly right, and you'll have to return it. So I'll be sure to have the right part number there for you. Let's just go over this, and we will do a quick video on how to remove the battery and replace it. It won't take very long, and then show what it works like afterwards. So there it is. There's the bottom side. I'd already cleaned the brush off and some a little bit, but just hit this little button and put it on to unlock and pull over on this. Sometimes you might have to take a little screwdriver, flathead, and put it in there to get it to pop it out. Take the see if I can set the camera down right. What I do is turn your vacuum cleaner up, let it slip out, unclip it here, unclip it there, just push down on that little button, unclip it, take your new battery, stick it on there, make sure this is with your little clip there, put it in, clip it down, and reinsert the battery, and you're back in business. So let's see, the new battery is in. Kick the little button on. There she goes. So that's about it. Easy peasy. Dispose of your old battery properly, and hopefully it works as easily for you as it did for me. So give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and with that, this is Noob. I'm out.
Hey Chicky, you ready to go night night? It's getting pretty dark. It's getting pretty dark. It'll be time to go night night.